way. It's been there for a little while. But looking at where we are, right, and looking at like we're going down to the bottom floor near the water, looking back up to the other side of the lake, to the houses, and to this light that has just been sitting there for a while. I have no idea what it is. Could be a plane, but it's been sitting in the one spot for a long time. Nope. And it is moving. It came closer. I reckon. Yep. Yep, I reckon it is. It could be a plane. Could be a plane. Yeah, well, the airport's over there. It could be. What? No plane coming from? No, I suppose. I can't hear anything yet either. It is definitely moving. You reckon?
It's moving fucking this way.
There's no flashing lights on it, is there? No flashing lights on it. It's just one light. And it got smaller, the light just got smaller. Yeah.
It moves out of the ordinary.
Could be a satellite, you reckon?
Moving out of the ordinary.
Is it a satellite? I don't know.
Move like a plane.
There's no flashing lights, so no flashing lights.
What's that doing?
It is. There is a tail light there, and a light above the light is 3 little dots. No, that's the only one I've seen. It could be a plane, but I can't hear anything. I can't hear a thing. How can it be a plane? It's not that far away where we can't hear it. No. True.
Doctor?
Look at it in the camera. Have a look in the camera. I've enlarged it close up. And the dot, the white dot, just looks like a white dot. And looking at it with the naked eye, it looks like it's got a tail light. See the white dot in front and a dot behind? A little faint dot. You can't see it in the camera though. I don't know. I have no idea. No idea.
Was that there about 2 minutes ago?
Yep.
Wasn't it?
Was.
It moved pretty quick.
It has all of a sudden. Don't know. Don't know.
I don't know if it did or nothing, but I was thinking before.